is done. And the defending champions, relatively easy win over the slow starting Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles. You know, even going back to last year, Mosi, Ateneo does have a tendency to start slow.
That's right. Sabi nga natin, parang diesel team ng Ateneo. They really start off slow. And in fact, in one of the timeouts, Coach Roger reminded them that they already practiced for this game. They had a game plan in mind. But again, hindi nasunod in this first set.
Easier said than done when you're up against a team that can disrupt that game plan, because I'm sure they have a game plan of their own. And if it's a matter of whose game plan ang nasusunod, so far, LaSalle winning that one.
Alam po natin, the experience is taking its heavy toll on Ateneo. Kasi nakita mo ang LaSalle very composed. You can see their composure going into this game. And their attack point, LaSalle having 12. Hindi naman malayang Ateneo having 11 of their own. At sa set department, this is where Martinez comes in. The veteran Martinez and the well-developed Martinez having 20 excellent sets. Developed skills of Martinez. And 11 excellent sets for Ferrer. But we expect a lot more from Ferrer. Again, we said na si Ferrer parang hindi dumaan dun sa rookie stage. Right away, veteran moves for Ferrer. Yung unforced errors, well, Ateneo with 8. And DLSU limiting their unforced errors to only 4.
And the thing about LaSalle getting 20 sets also is that they really just received the ball better.
That is so true.
Napadali yung buhay ni Martinez. Ang daming error ng Ateneo sa reception pa lang.
Lalo na with Gohing.
Yes.
Melissa Gohing
Solid
there.
talaga.
Very solid game. Every game. My Facebook friend.
Oh, good for you.
These players are my FB friends.
Well, just say hi to them for me then. Gohing, I always say, one of the most intense looking player.
And it's nice to watch. Yeah. People love her.
Yep. And a service error right away to kick off the second set for the Lady Eagles. LaSalle with Martinez, Araño, Cruz, C, Larca, and Martinez. Mercado, rather. And Ateneo starting with Pascual, Vasio, Gabriel del Libero, Ferrer, Cainglet, and Acevedo.
Not enough support there coming from LaSalle. The last play, Z getting that point.
Maya Pascual serving for the Lady Eagles. Mercado, great service reception. And that made life easier for Martinez to choose between Alarca or Mercado.
Grabe yung choices ni Martinez. Just put it up. May mapalo.
Ngayon, may Mercado, may C, may Maraño.
What a tall front line for De La Salle.
They go to Acevedo, the lefty. Cross court.
Well, Mercado was in the right position to block that ball. Probably again, you remind yourself that Acevedo is a lefty, as you'll see here. Malayo.
Good angle. Really good angle for Cara Acevedo, playing in her third year for the Lady Eagles. Vasio playing in her second year. As we are knotted at 2-all, the referee's trying to get everything in order here. LaSalle leads 1 set to none. Lovely serve from Z. You know who doesn't do the jump serve anymore for Ateneo? Ferrer.
Before she used to do that. Pero kung ikaw one setter at you play almost the entire game.
Ayaw niya pagurin sarili niya.
And she yourself.
And she had a really good jump serve.
That's true, that's true. Sa high school kasi big advantage yan if you have a jump serve. Pati again, yung intimidation factor will set in. Pag jump server ka, ang laking bagay.
Rare combination play from Ateneo. And an easy ball now for LaSalle as they set up Cha Cruz. The block goes out. Check ball.
Ateneo trying to regroup themselves.
So much firepower from this LaSalle team.
It's true.
I mean, I'm looking at them on the court right now, and
you know, even the new faces like Maraño and the C.
through the blocker is Gretcheno, able to get that through.
Look at that again. Naunahan. Perfect set.
Yun ang maganda kay Gretchen na ano, yung quick niya, really quick. Then that's really the key.
Yep. Combination, shot, sends it easily to the other side. Ferrer goes to Kainglep. Mababa. Pal.
Baba na yung palo niya and still went for an angle. So into the net was that last ball of Kainglep.
5 serving 3. Basho received. No open to Phil. And again, 2 blockers on her. They try again. Off speed this time. No variation from Phil Kainglep.
You know, I was looking at her when she was trying to ready herself for the attack. She was looking at the court of De La Salle, trying to look for that open space.
And that's what the good hitters develop throughout their career. It's not only about looking at your setter and the ball. There's that quick glance or maybe a use of your peripheral vision to check the defense. And then you have to develop some sort of a photographic memory that you take. I remember talking to a player before. You take a picture quickly and remember where the defense is when you go up in the air. And that's when you place the ball correctly.
But only special players can do
Yeah.
that.
Caravenas, Garemullas, yung mga laurel na iyan.
Ay,
Yung
babalik
ibang
ka
laurel.
bukas pa, okay. So, pwede pa natin.
Iyan.
Wag na yun, wag na yun.
Wala.
Pag-usapan.